Feeling lost in tech, too many certs, too many paths, and none of them feel right. You're not alone. The truth is, no one tells you how to choose or where to start. But here's the secret. You don't need every cert. You just need the right direction. Hey, I'm JR, an IT professional, career mentor, and someone who has helped a lot of folks break into IT. And today we're talking about something that nobody covers. How to choose your IT specialty the smart way. Not by guessing, not by chasing trends, but by actually understanding what fits you. So let's just get into it. Let's be real. Tech can be overwhelming when you're starting out. And to make it worse, you got gurus on YouTube telling you,
get into cyber, bro. That is the future.
Nah, man, cloud is where it's at.
Forget that. Learn code. That's where the money is.
sounds familiar? And yeah, tech looks exciting, big paychecks, remote work, job security. But when you're new, it's like walking into a giant maze. You will see roles like help desk, networking, cybersecurity, data, project management, and for each one, a sea of certifications. Security Plus, Network Plus, A Plus, AWS, Scrum, Linux, and every video says something different. Then you start to wonder, do I need to be good at math? Should I go into cybersecurity? Am I even technical enough for this? But what if you don't like security, or you just think the cloud is boring? What if the path that you're chasing doesn't actually fit who you are? And that's why you feel stuck. Here's what most people never tell you. You don't need to master everything. You just need to pick the lane that fits you. Because tech is not a one-size-fits-all. And guess what? There's a role in tech that aligns with who you are. Now, by the way, if you want to explore 12 legit career paths that you can actually take in tech, I broke them down recently in a video, what each one is, who it is for, and how to get started. It's a long one, but it's packed with value. So check it out when you're done here. I'm gonna leave it right here, somewhere right here. Now, I've mentored a lot of people, especially career changers that say,
I got my first cert, took some courses, but now I'm lost.
and I've seen if folks just burn out because they just chase the wrong path or the job role that they are not aligned to. This is not because tech is bad, but because their path don't align with who they are. So let's fix that. Every tech journey starts with a foundation, whether it's courses, certification preps, or just IT fundamentals. And to help with that, I am building a Tech 101 course. It's gonna be right here on this channel. It's made for beginners and for people that they feel that they're missing something early on. And it will be simple, no jargon, and 100% free. Right here on YouTube, no email required. Just do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you don't miss out, and give me a like if you're liking this content. Now back to our core question. You got the fundamentals, so what path do you take? Here's the secret that no one talks about. And frankly, I don't think people know about this, or they just think like this. Maybe it doesn't exist, I don't know. Now, I already said that the path that you need to take needs to fit you, right? And you're probably thinking, what, a role that fits me? Yes, there are tech roles that are gonna match your strength, your energy, and your preferred way of working. You don't need to force yourself to cybersecurity if it bores you. You don't have to learn coding if you hate coding. What you need is a system that matches you with a specialty. So this is why I created something called the Tech Type Framework by JR. I've been using this for years to help others, but I just didn't have a name for it. This custom framework helps you figure out what roles match your natural strengths, how your passion, your work style shape your journey, how to avoid wasting time on the wrong certs, down the wrong path, choosing the wrong role, and it's built around 3 core pillars. From these pillars, I mapped out 4 tech types. These categories align with real jobs down a real path that aligns with your career goals. Then once you know your type, it's just gonna click. I can go a little bit deeper now, but I think this video is just being a little bit longer than I actually was trying to do. So for the next video, I will walk you through the whole framework step by step. It's also going to have a free tools that will help you figure out what is your tech type. It will save you months of confusion. But for now, let me ask you, does this make sense? Does it help you in any way? What tech path are you considering? And what is that is confusing you the most? Tell me below. I read every comment and I shape future videos based on what you ask me. Also smash that like button, sub, hit that bell if you haven't already. It's free and it helps this content to reach more people that needs it. So remember, you don't need every skill. You just need a direction that fits how you are wired. That's what the TTF is for. And I'll walk you through the full framework in the next video. And it will be right here if it's out already. So see you there. JR out.